Hey, good morning. It's Tony talking car biz. It is one bright day. What a gorgeous day here. July 6th, 2021. Hey, in today's vehicle video, we're going to walk around the exterior of this brand new 2021 Toyota Avalon Hybrid. So in part one, this video, we're going to check out the exterior. And then in video number 2, we'll dive inside and check out the interior. So be sure to catch video number 2. But let's get started on the exterior of the 2021 XSE Hybrid. Okay, let's get started up front on the Avalon. Now this is the XSE edition. Again, this is the sports edition. So we'll begin with the grille. This is a huge gloss black grille on here. There really is no bumper anymore on the front of the Avalon. It's pretty much all grille and lights. So a piano black or gloss black, and then you've got sensors right there in the grille for your parking assist and your pre-collision system. Behind the Toyota badge is where you're going to find the sensors for the dynamic radar cruise control. We also have lowered the rocker panels on this with the kind of an aero kit, if you will, built into there. The other thing that's interesting about the Avalon is these air vents on the side. They're actually functional. If you can see the air or the light through there, they actually are there and they have a function. This is the only Toyota I know of that comes from the factory with those opened up and exposed like you're seeing there. Even the Toyota Supra has them, but they don't actually go all the way through. So the idea is the air flows through the fender and across the disc brakes to help get the brakes cool during heavy braking to reduce brake fade. So I thought that was kind of interesting that it's actually functional on the Avalon. Now your headlight package, complete LED headlights and tail lights, including LED daytime running lights and LED turn signals. And you can see we've got the multi-faceted headlight as well. So a really great looking front end on this car. Toyota took what used to be all luxury and made it luxury performance in the new Avalon XSE and the TRD. Now the wheels and tires, we've got an 18-inch cast aluminum, gray metallic painted wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brakes, traction control. Of course, it is front wheel drive. Being a hybrid, you get the badging here on the fender, or the front door I should say. Piano black, folding, collapsible outside mirrors with LED turn signals. Smart keyless entry system with color to match door handles. And then gloss black trim here on the B pillar, C pillar, and chrome trim up and around the window sills. Now we do have a power sliding moonroof, which also opens up completely. Color to match shark fin antenna, rear window defrost, gas doors right here on the passenger side. And then as we swing around to the back, notice we have LED tail lights, super low profile tail lights. I've got the flashers on. Hopefully you can see that in the bright sunshine. But a really nice, aggressive, clean look to the back of the Avalon. It does have this integrated rear deck spoiler here. And this is gloss black, just like we saw on the shark fin antenna and the mirrors. We've got gloss black XSE badging, chrome hybrid badging, and then the Avalon badging is all gloss black as well, with the Toyota badge right out the right in the center there. And then largely your exhaust system is hidden. It is a dual exhaust system. This is the 4-cylinder hybrid engine, so just one pipe. It's tucked up under this side. And those are reflectors there in the lower part of the bumper. So a real nice clean look to the rear of the Avalon Hybrid, I should say. So let's go ahead and head up front here. We'll pop the hood, we'll check out the engine, and we'll talk about the performance and the fuel economy and such. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so diving under the hood, this again is the Avalon Hybrid. So the Hybrid Synergy system, that's the 4-cylinder, 2.5 liter, 16 valve, 4-cylinder gasoline engine. And then it's connected to a CVT automatic transmission. And this is all your hybrid components over on this side here. So combined fuel economy on this engine transmission hybrid system, 43 miles per gallon. That's pretty amazing fuel economy. Folks, this is a full-size sedan, 5 adults, no problem. So to get 43 miles per gallon, that's pretty outstanding. Now there's a nice array of warranties that come on the hybrid. First, let's talk about the hybrid warranty itself. All the components for the hybrid system have a, slips my mind, 10-year, 150,000 mile battery warranty is on there, an 8-year, 100,000 mile component warranty. The engine and transmission have a 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Of course, you'll also get Toyota Care, which covers your basic maintenance. So your fluid top-offs, your oil changes, and the tire rotations are all included for the first 2 years, 25,000 miles. Now that'll save you several $100s in maintenance cost. So a really great warranty package. Finally, there's also a 3-year, 36,000 mile limited warranty, and that covers manufacturer defect on the rest of the car. So really a lot of great warranty packages there. That Toyota Care is awesome, paying for your oil changes and your maintenance for the first 2 years. So this is the first in 2 videos. This is my exterior video on the Avalon Hybrid. Be sure and catch number 2, and that's when I'm going to go ahead and dive inside and show you some of the interior features. So if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Questions, comments, concerns, or you want to point out my mistakes, please do so in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. This is Tony talking car biz. Thanks for watching.